Want your Trustpilot review to actually count and stand out as a legitimate voice? First and foremost, make sure you've had a genuine experience with the company you're reviewing. Whether you're thrilled or disappointed, authenticity is key to a verified review. Next, locate the company's Trustpilot page. You can usually find it through a quick search on the Trustpilot website and then click Write a Review. Start by selecting a star rating that accurately reflects your experience. This provides an immediate overall impression of your satisfaction. Now, this is where detail matters. Clearly describe what you purchased, what went well, or what went wrong, avoiding ambiguity, and include specific examples, like names, dates, or order numbers, all while staying respectful. No foul language. Check the box to connect with the business if you are open to discuss your review with the business. Finally, verify your identity. Trustpilot offers multiple verification options like connecting via social media or confirming your email. Completing this step significantly boosts your review's credibility and helps Trustpilot ensure it's from a real person. Also, make sure you have accepted the Trustpilot terms and conditions. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll craft a review that's not only informative but also more likely to be seen as a valuable and verified contribution to the Trustpilot community.